Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import your photos from iPhone to Mac. So this is a very easy process. Normally people use photos and then they hit on their device and then they try to import the photos. But there is another way which is much easier and faster than the photos applications. So first thing first, hit command and spacebar together. You will see spotlight search. It's the same spotlight search that you have in your iPhone. If here you have to search image capture, double click on it, and here you can see here is my device. So what you will do, I will unlock my phone, and as you can see here, I got the all images over there. So to import into our Mac, all you need to do is just select and then here import to. It goes to by default to documents, but we will select desktop and click download. As soon we click download, the video shows up on our desktop. So that's a very easy and simple way to transfer photos from your iPhone to your MacBook.